The history of the Slavs has been manipulated by non-Slavic. The Slavs are an ancient people with their own religion, with its own culture, its own traditions and customs. The heart of the discussion of the Veneti, Enetoi, Veneti, Vendi, is whether they were Slavs. After seeing the cards, for after you, studies of language have shown that it's Veneti-related Slavic languages. Jordanes tells us that Veneti are like Sclavines and Antes. William L. Langer of Harvard University says that the Slavs were known to the Roman and Greek writers of the 1st and 2nd centuries AD under the name Veneti, as inhabiting the region beyond the Vistula. During the 1st centuries AD, the Slavs expanded in all directions, and by the 6th century, when they were known for the Gothic and Byzantine writers Slavenivat, they apparently already been separated into 3 main divisions.